James.
You like James? Who else do you like?
Tommy.
Oh, you like Thomas? Where's your Thomas?
Look go.
Yeah, where'd he go?
James.
Yeah, you only have James. Thomas is missing. You gonna find him?
Fight.
We'll have to find him. You're doing cheers? Abby, who's your favorite train?
Tommy.
Yours is Tommy? What other trains do you guys like?
Gigi.
Okay, you have food in your mouth, so you just wait. Abby, what other trains do you like?
Kitty.
Oh, that's a kitty. That's not a train, silly. Show me your kitty. You got a kitty juice?
Kitty.
Mmm.
My James.
You're James. You got James. That's right.
Kitty.
Abby got a kitty. What kind did Blake get today? He got SpongeBob. SpongeBob. Super cheers. James fell.
Oh,
Good job.